Okay, so guys, judge me here. Something happened on Tuesday. Mommy saw her close from school, so her driver went to pick her up. As at 5:15, they were not home. 5:30, they were not home. So Nature called him. He said he was coming. I followed it up. He said a colleague's car is broken down. So he's helping the guy fix it, and he will bring her home immediately. Okay, and so he is coming. Okay, he didn't say immediately. He said they are coming. Then, as at 5:40 p.m., Mommy was not back from school. So I was angry. Then I decided to go and meet the driver on the way. So on my way out, I met them and I was angry, and I said, why did you do that? Why should a child go to school around 8 a.m. and come home at 6 p.m.? His driver took offense and started talking. So I picked the child and came home. Apparently, he said his colleague's car had broken down on the main Bekwai Cape Coast Road. On the main Kumasi Cape Coast Road. So all the buses from Kumasi, Plain, Takoradi, Cape Coast, Mankesim, Yamransa, all of them uses that route. And you have put this child in the car. I don't know which spot the other car got spoiled, and you were helping him. So you left the child in the car to attend to what if was the problem, but the guy didn't see that. He wasn't seeing that. He felt that because the child was with him, Mommy was safe. So the following morning at 8 a.m., he wasn't here. We called him. He said he cannot come. Then I asked Nature to call again to verify if he could pick her up in the afternoon. He said that one too he cannot do. Then we realized that the contract has expired. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday this morning, I was doing the school runs. Yeah, I was doing the school run for the first time in a very long time, over 20 years. Yeah, over 20 years. I have been doing school runs this week. And Nature is not feeling well. Sincerely, with baby supper. I have not been doing much. My allegiance is to Mami Chewa. Everybody keeps telling me that they know Mami Chewa is my favorite. Deep in my heart, I know I love them all. But this one, what can I do with her? This one, you cannot joke with her, you cannot play with her, you cannot send her. All she does is sleep. But Mami Chewa there, I can vibe with her. So if you, I am coming to watch them. Me love hope. Don't start there.
Na doso kataman krata obijo kataman krata obibiere yo onyamina dumti yada wuya tikemo na doso kataman krata obijo.
Today is one of our wash days, and I have decided to carry you along. Okay, in an earlier video, I made a fabric softener, and when I added the color, it peppered me. Yeah, it peppered me. So I told you that in my subsequent one, I will add the color to the hot water. I did with this one, and it worked perfectly. But then the problem is how much of the color will be enough. Some even make theirs colorless. So I think just a little to change the texture will do. So this is what I have here. Let me show it to you. So this is it. This is how thick it is. So guys, the half of what I made, but I didn't even get this quantity in Gogoredia. But look at what I've gotten here. Maybe what I took was lesser than this. Remember, I did not use any scale. I used my hand and my eye as a scale, so that could be the reason. Let's pray. Father, we thank you for this morning. Protect us and bring us home safely as we go to school. In Jesus' name, amen. Continue, my baby. Baby, dear. Baby, dear. Oh, cause you. Pela. Ping, ping. Oh, kissing in the uncle. Oh, okay. What's our back out from school? Okay. Okay, as I told you the other day, we are still. Yesterday we got a driver. We got yesterday we got a driver who will start picking her up, God willing, tomorrow. So I'm doing my last school run. Baby K, baby Kendra, we are going. Bye bye. So she has her school bag, and I have here her lunch box. Oh, no, Jai. This girl pays for lunch 5 cedis every day. Yet she goes to school with everything. Yeah, she goes to school with everything. She has jollof, she has mashed cake, she has a biscuit, she has a drink in her bag, water, everything. Yet she pays for lunch. Yeah, but we wonder, we are still wondering as to whether, we know she doesn't eat, but then they always say that if you don't pay and someone is eating, she might cry, she would want to. So that is why we are fulfilling that righteousness.